In today's video, I'm going to show you how to improve image quality using AI. Whether you're working on social media posts, presentations, or personal projects, AI tools can help you create sharper, more vibrant images with minimal effort. Let's get started. Open your design or AI application and locate the AI image generator. If you don't see it right away, navigate to the Apps section and type AI image into the search bar. This will bring up the tool we'll be using. Now, it's time to get creative. Think about the image you want to enhance or generate. The AI relies on your description, so the more detailed and specific you are, the better the result. For example, you might describe a serene ocean sunset with vivid colors and soft waves. This step is crucial because the AI uses your input to craft an image that matches your vision. Once your description is ready, click on Create. The AI will start generating your image, often in just a few moments. You'll be amazed at how quickly it transforms your ideas into high-quality visuals. You can then review the results, make adjustments, or try different descriptions to see even more variations. To recap, first, find the AI image generator in your app. Next, describe your image clearly and in detail. Finally, hit Create and watch as AI brings your vision to life. This process is not only efficient, but also incredibly fun, allowing you to experiment and explore your creativity. Enhancing images with AI is perfect for anyone looking to elevate their digital projects. Whether you're improving existing photos or generating new art, these tools help you achieve professional-looking results with ease. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to try different prompts and styles to see what works best. And that's it. You now know how to use AI to improve your image quality and create stunning visuals. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.